Good morning, Beaumont traders. This is Daniel. I'm gonna report on my daily trading activity today. A recap, sort of. So, the market today gapped up a little bit. So this is the 5-minute chart for the market. Yesterday it closed around 300, and then pre-market it was trading around 302. Started to sell off a little bit, and at the market open it also sold off, and then it picked up again. So it gapped up. There were some stocks that gapped up, but I was interested in MU again. So I was interested in MU because, like I said, it has been going really higher and higher for the last few weeks, few days maybe. And it is around $51 right now. So before the market opened, MU gapped up a little bit. It closed around $50, and then it was about trading around $51 before market opened. As soon as the market opened, it tried to sell off, but then it went up. I started a short position here because it was just going up and down. I started a short position. I added to my position. It's a little bit of a mess. It looks like a little bit of a mess at the beginning, but then the whole point is I was adding to my position, covering, and all that. So in the end, I covered with an okay profit, but then all this trades going in and out of the trade, of course, cost me some money on commission. So it was almost like break even. Whatever I made, I also paid in commissions. So there was not a lot of profit. So up to this point, so I was break even because I made some money, but then I paid in commissions. Until I get the refund the next day, it looks like there was no money that I made. And then MU started to curl up a little bit on the 5-minute chart. If you see, it was selling, and then this was the bottom for the day. It started to go higher. Around view up, I started a small position for a short. I was thinking it would go down from view up, and if not, I was gonna cover above view up. But then something happened in the market. This is a 1-minute chart for the market. As soon as I opened a short position, something happened. I think there was a news, or maybe Trump tweeted something, a tweet from the White House. The market went bonkers. It went crazy from 300 to all the way to 302. At this point, MU went with the market. It went up all the way. I covered my position. I was just like, this is an unfortunate situation. You're short on the stock, the market rips higher against you, and then I covered my position with a loss. But then again, the market looked like it wanted to sell off after the huge news, and then I entered another short position. Then the MU just went up and down around my entry point, not very high. And then again, something happened in the market. It sold off really, really, really bad, and then it gave me all the profit all the money that I had lost in this rip. I got it back here because I went short. It went down. I covered part of my position right here. It went up a little bit. This is probably those people who were short covering. It goes up for a minute or two, and then I added to my position, and then it couldn't go above view up. I covered part of my position, and then when it went to around view up again, I covered my entire position. So all this exercise looks like a Christmas tree, like in and out, in and out, in and out. All these green and red triangles are the times when I went in and out of a trade, charging me some money for commission. And then, of course, it's a win or a loss. So, all in all, on MU, I made $69.47. But then, like I said, the commission is $61. Another trade that I did by accident was KR, which is Kroger. Kroger has been doing okay. It has been going higher slowly. But this morning, everybody was looking at it. It had a huge volume of pre-market, and people said it should go higher. I did not trade it, but for some reason, thinking I was going short on MU, I shorted KR by mistake. And then it went higher a little bit. I just went out right away. Of course, it was a good thing that I did because it went higher. This red and green triangles are not real trades. These are paper trades. You can just ignore them. I can actually take them out. That's fine. These are paper trades. You can ignore them. But I was thinking about going short right here
had some problems and were gone down.
with my real money because it looked like it was going weaker and weaker. Maybe I thought it would sell off towards the closing price of yesterday.
Just getting caught up.
But then
grab a drink and I'll be right back, guys.
Some crazy stuff happened on KR. I wasn't involved in the trade, but it went from $26 all the way to $23. It sold off really, really bad. I wish I was in it. I could have made a little bit of money. And then it's curling up higher now to yesterday's closing price, which is good for KR. But hey, I wasn't involved in it, so I really don't care about it. So that's what happened today. My trades were not really great trades. $58 in profit, $61 in commission. All in all, the net realized P&L shows negative, but like I said, this will be part of this will be refunded tomorrow. And then it was probably $20-$30 gain day, green day. Not bad. But I'm trading really, really small size, so even if the stock moves 20 cents, I don't make a lot of money. Part of it goes to commissions. The whole point of this exercise for this month of September is not to really make a lot of money. The whole point is to learn the discipline, risk management, and also get used to the psychology behind trading. The ins and outs, the emotions that go with the trade, when it goes higher against you, when it goes lower against you. So this is what I'm trying to learn this month. It's not an easy thing to learn, but this month with few shares here and there, in and out, maybe I'll be able to manage that, manage myself when I look at a trade. But that's what it looks like so far. And for today, this is all I have to report. It wasn't a bad day. It wasn't also a great day, really. It was all right. Anyways, this is day 7. If you want to hear more about this, you can subscribe, you can comment, you can ask questions. And then if you want to learn more, you can ask me where to get some more information about trading. I can also maybe try to help you with my suggesting a community of traders that I join every morning, which is the Bear Bull Traders, an amazing group that are helping a lot of people realize their dreams. So that's it for now. Thank you, and I have a good day.